Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel or remove a repost on Instagram mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon in the bottom right of the screen. At the top of your profile, you will see a different tabs like Post, Reels, Tag, and now a new one called Repost. Tap on the Repost tab to see all the videos or reels you have reposted using Instagram new feature. Now scroll through and find the repost you want to cancel or remove. Tap on it to open the full post. From the menu, tap on the repost icon again and the repost is now cancelled. And that's it. That's how you cancel a repost on Instagram using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.